So we've got some lovely spices going on in this. Garlic, ginger, chili, turmeric, you know, coriander. Really, really good. You can use any vegetables you want. This is a beautiful, beautiful vegetable fried rice. Indian style, vegetarian, healthy and vegan. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we're using today. Now, the beauty of this dish is you can use any types of vegetables that you like, and the amounts is up to you as well. So let's look at the vegetables that I'm using. So I've got some cabbage, white cabbage, chop that up nice and thin, cauliflower, red bell peppers, a little bit of carrots and celery, a bit of zucchini and mushrooms. But yeah, chop and change that as you see fit or what you have. I've got 1 can of chickpeas here. Give them a nice wash. If you've got it from a can, always give it a nice wash in cold water. Some fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. And then essentials really, I suppose, is onion. I've got 1 onion sliced there. Garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon. I've got some curry leaves here, fresh curry leaves. Now, if you can get them, they are absolutely wonderful. If not, try and get them dried. And then 2 teaspoons here of cumin seeds, a few green cardamom pods, 1 teaspoon each of what I always call the big 4. So we've got turmeric, cumin, coriander and chili. So yeah, chuck in whatever vegetables you like really. And of course we're going to be using some rice. I'll show you that in a minute. And we're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. So my rice, there you go. I've got about 5 cups of rice, basmati, cooked yesterday, put in the fridge, overnight. Cold rice is beautiful, warm and hot rice, not so much. This is going to be fantastic. Okay, so you're going to need a wok or a pan or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil today, but you could use something different. Coconut oil might be nice for this. So you've just seen me throw in the cumin seeds and the green cardamom pods into hot oil. Let's get those curry leaves in there. And like I said, you can get these fresh. They're really fantastic. Just let them do their thing in that oil just for a few seconds. They'll infuse the oil and give an absolutely wonderful flavour. We're then going to go in with our onion and our hard vegetables. So I'm going to go with celery and carrot. They're my hardest ones I'm using today. High heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. It's going to be delicious. Beautiful. Simply, next up, I'm going to go in with my little bit of cauliflower and I'm going to drop in my 2 chilies. Now, they're going in whole, but what I've done, just gave them a little cut down the side there. Just opened them out a little bit. Chop them if you want. See you in 2 minutes. Okay, let's load this up. Let's now go with some bell peppers. I'm using red. Our mushrooms. There's only like 3 or 4 regular sized mushrooms there, roughly chopped. Zucchini, courgette or kusa, whatever you call that. White cabbage, shredded. About 3 to 4 minutes now. Keep it moving all the time on this high heat. So it's all starting to cook really nicely, but a lot of the vegetables have still got a nice crunch on them. Let's now go in with our chickpeas. We're going to add that garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. I'm now going to add some salt, a little bit of black pepper, and then we're going to go in with our spices. Now, if you don't have separate spices, just a tablespoon maybe of some curry powder. We've got teaspoons each of chili, turmeric, coriander and cumin. In that goes. Staying on the high heat. 3 more minutes. Keep it moving. Yeah, this is fantastic. Really loving this one. Okay, rice time. So cold cooked basmati rice, in it goes. I'm gonna break it in a little bit with my hand. And then we're gonna throw this around and fry it for about 5 minutes. You don't wanna do it less than that. You actually wanna fry the rice. If you get a little bit of brown or even blackening on the rice, I think that's beautiful. Keep it moving there. See you in about 5. That's fabulous. Off goes the heat. Cilantro or coriander, fresh, whatever you call that, in the mix, roughly chopped. One more mix. See you at the table. Job done. Beautiful. And there you go. A beautiful, lovely plate of loveliness. Yeah, just, very simple. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.